All right, first one here is going to be CWD. This is Caliber Co. or Caliber Costs. I'm actually not even sure. Caliber Co's shares are trading higher after the company announced the next phase of its real estate fund tokenization strategy using the Chainlink platform. All right, to get more information out of this, we're actually going to have to dive into the PR, so we can do that here in a little bit. I'm assuming 13 probably did. The short interest on this name, 2.26% of the float shorted, 1.9 days to cover. It's there. It's negligible. I wouldn't really factor that into your trade here today. On average, the stock trades 157,000 shares, but today it's traded 155 million shares. So quite a bit more. Float on this one, 8.45 million. 13, what do you got? Ticker CWD.
Well, you were talking earlier about the Clarity Act and the need to pass that, and I agree we're going to need to get that passed, and I'm pretty skeptical that we're going to get it passed before the August recess.
Yep.
But this is one that I think could really benefit from getting this becoming passed. So I think that's a reason to keep it on your radar if you're playing the Clarity Act. But I didn't look into what their real estate fund tokenization strategy was.
Okay.
Payment platform was. I'm not interested in that. I'm just interested in this move that's happening right now that I've got that I had marked off. But first, this company has very little cash. It's got some revenue. It's not profitable. It's currently breaking over a trend line that I had drawn earlier here. I have two actually. This is more of a shallow one that it's breaking through right now. If it goes through a steep one, we should see $2 prints. But we're trying to hold above 150 right now and break higher. I think I would, if you haven't already got into this for this move here, I think I would just maybe wait for a pullback opportunity. But I still think that we could see maybe a $2 print prior to the open. So I feel like maybe this one we may have missed a little bit. So if we don't have an opportunity here prior to the open, I think I would wait for this to come back in some more.
Okay. So the Chainlink platform, in simple terms, is it helps tokenized assets move through regulated financial processes instead of just existing as a token on the blockchain.
Okay.
So that was my response. Like, okay, I don't know why we're up 150% on the back of this news. It actually seems like it seems strategically interesting. So I think you're absolutely correct tying this to the Clarity Act. I think that's spot on. But I'm just not sure that this news is like a near-term like proof point that it's going to be good yet.
It's just in the right theme at the right time, and it has a very low float. It's 8.4 million shares, so it can be pushed around. The other one that I was looking at, USDE, is even weirder, but I think it's also going on that same theme.